Hi, myself I am a Pavanar. Today the topic is MVT architecture in Django. The Django is a popular Python web framework that follows the model view templates MVT architecture pattern. This approach separates the application login into a distance components, making the code base more organized and reduced in the maintenance. What is the MVIT model view template architecture? MVIT is a software design pattern that divides a web application into the three interconnected components: the model, the templates. Each component has a specific role and responsibility, ensuring a clear separations of the conquer. Advantages of MVIT architecture is Django modularity. MET pattern promotes modular designing, making it easy to develop a test and maintain different part of application independently. Scalability of the separations of the conquer allows the better scalability as different components can be scaled up the down and needed. Usability: the MVT architecture ensures code reuse as the components can be easily shared across multiple projects or applications. Components of MVT architecture model view templates. Model: the model components is a responsibility for managing the application's data to business logic, define the dataset schemes and handling code, create, read, update, delete operation. View: the view components has acts the intermediately different between the model and the template. It process used to request a retrieves data from the model and prepares the response to be returned by the template. The template component is the responsibility for the representations layer of the application. It defines the structure and the layout of the web page, including the HTML, CSS, dynamic constraint. Roles and responsibilities of the each components. Model: define the data structure, handles data based interacts and the enforce business logic. View: process user requests, retrieves data from the model and prepare the response from the templates. Responsibility for the presentation layer generations dynamic HTML data provided by the view. Handling the user request in MVT architecture. User request: the user initiates a request through the web application. View: the view components receives the request, process it and it interacts with me a model to retrieve the necessary data. Templates: the view passes into the data to the templates with the rendered of the HTML responsible response and sends it back to user. Implementing MVT architecture in a Django Django project. In a Django project, the MVT architecture is implemented through the creations of models, views, and templates. Developers defines the data scheme. Models create the view functions to handle user request and design the HTML templates to display to the data. Best practices and the considerations for MVT architecture. Separations of the conquer strictly other to the separations of conquer principle to maintain a clean and maintainability code base. Testability implement until the test of each components to the ensure the integrated of the application logic. Performance optimizations optimizing the dataset queries and the template, retaining the improve the overall performance of the web application. Documentations thoroughly documents the functionality of the each component faculties of this and the development. Thank you.